country. Las Vegas is now in Nigeria. He's a wicked man. He's a wicked man. We are here in Maiduguri, and it's in Las Vegas. I don't know where it is. Wicked. This country is in somebody's hand. Can you imagine? Too far kid in Enugu for what? Hey. This lady hung her wet cloth and was stolen by 2 kidnappers. Can you imagine? In this country. How would they steal wet cloth? Football Federation has signed. So they are now signing people from nowhere to play for this country. Action. How on earth will a kidnapper have a complimentary card? And they have now assigned They are stupid boys. They are stupid boys. Their professor is doing me easy too. Return the phone, my friend. Return the phone. How about yourself? How will you bring the phone when the person calling me is not one? Stupid boy. This country is corrupt. Even the person calling me does not want to call. Yes. I've said it. Sani Abacha did not die. He went for rest in Cairo. How on earth will somebody go and rest in Cairo for 700? I don't even know the years. I was not born, that is why. I've said it. List of Nigerian senators that did not go to school. So they have changed from Super Eagle to bed. No wonder they cannot play. They fly anyhow in this country. But I don't come again. Hey man, you're a good boy. Yes? My account number. I will forward to you over there. Yeah. Exactly. I believe in you. You are a right person. You are a good boy. Or something. You are a good man. Okay. The man. Yes. We are rich. I say we are rich. What is it? Nobody's on play. Let's dance.
I believe in you, Jesus, I believe in you. You never disappointed any man. I believe in you. The man of Galilee, he died